Hi, my name is Kim Cullen and I'm an Orlando accident attorney. Recently, we met with a gentleman who had been involved in a very bad motorcycle accident. As he was operating his motorcycle down the highway, he came across a huge tire bouncing down the road in the direction of his motorcycle. It turns out that that tire had become dislodged from the back of a recreational vehicle as it traveled down the interstate. Well, our client ended up laying down his bike in the middle of the road, in the middle of the highway, and suffering some significant injuries all down the right side of his body, a broken shoulder, broken hip, broken leg, and assorted other injuries. Needless to say, he never discovered the identity of the owner of the recreational vehicle, got a tag, or had any way of identifying exactly who owned the tire or where it came from. Well, when we hear facts like that involving a motorcycle accident, we're always skeptical about whether or not we're going to be able to help the motorcyclists. Particularly in a case like this one where we had no way to identify the recreational vehicle. Well, in this particular case, we were very pleasantly surprised to learn that our client had elected to purchase uninsured motorist coverage for his motorcycle. This is a coverage that we don't run into in a lot of motorcycle accidents, but in this particular case, became very useful to our client. Uninsured motorist coverage will cover you if you're involved in an accident with either a vehicle that is unidentifiable or a vehicle where there is no insurance, or where the negligent driver is elected not to carry insurance at all. In this case, uninsured motorist coverage is going to be able to take care of some of our clients' extensive medical bills, cover some of his lost wages, and hopefully there'll be enough money left over to put some money in his pocket for pain and suffering and inconvenience and the other things that we call intangible damages. The only thing that we would have hoped that our client would have done that he didn't do, and hopefully he will in the future, is to make sure that he purchased stackable uninsured motorist coverage, because then he could stack his motorcycle coverage on top of the other coverages in the vehicles in his home to create essentially a super policy of uninsured motorist coverage. If you have any questions about a motorcycle accident or uninsured motorist coverage or stackable uninsured motorist coverage, please don't hesitate to call us at our office at 407-254-4901 or visit our website at www.cullen-law.com. And while you're on our website, you may want to download a copy of my free book, Asleep at the Wheel: 13 Mistakes the Insurance Company Desperately Hopes You'll Make After a Motor Vehicle Accident.